When you finish your IELTS test, you will get an overall band score, which will be a number from 0 to 9. But what is a good score? So if you get a band 5, that means you are a modest user. That means you can handle very basic communication, but you make a lot of mistakes. If you're a band 6, that means you're a competent user. That means you have enough English to communicate, but you make errors, especially in more complex and difficult situations. If you get a band 7, this is where you're considered a good user. That means you can use English very well, but sometimes you might make mistakes or misunderstand things. If you're a band 8, that means you're a very good user. You are fluent, but you might make some very small mistakes in rare situations. And finally, if you're a band 9, that means you are an expert user. You are completely fluent and accurate with full understanding of the English language. So that's what a good user is, but what is a good score? Well, that depends on your goals. If you need a 6 and you get a 6, well, that would be considered a good score for you. So what score do you need? Comment down below and let me know.